Hey guys, welcome to Members Consulting's YouTube channel, and in today's blog post I have brought you another good topic to think about while considering Drupal as your website development framework or CMS. So, there is a huge debate about whether Drupal is better or WordPress is better. So I have named this blog post the ultimate showdown. So hopefully it's going to help you think think through and see through both of the CMS or content development frameworks. Content development platforms. So you know, like, let's dive into it. So both are giants, Drupal and WordPress, and they actually target very different audiences. I have included some pros, some cons for both. This is the pros and cons of WordPress. This is the pros and cons of Drupal. And uh, just to summarize this whole article for you, basically, WordPress is very easy to use. It's great for beginners and small businesses. But Drupal is more complex but offers more power and customization for large websites. WordPress is known for its user-friendly interface and wide range of plugins as well. However, it can get cluttered with all of these plugins, and managing a smooth user experience can be a challenge. But on the other hand, Drupal is built for more technical savvy people, those who are developers who have knowledge of the code. So uh, it's very powerful platform, and it's not a content management system CMS. It's a CMF, content management framework, because it allows for complex websites and applications to be modular, and like you can uh, develop anything into Drupal. It's a whether it's a single page application or it's a huge website. Drupal is known for handling a large amount of data very efficiently. But the downside or the con of the Drupal is it has a steeper learning curve. Sorry. So especially when it comes to design. So which one you should choose? Well, WordPress. If you are small business, WordPress is ideal, because if you are into, like, if you want the user interface of managing and handling your website to be very easy, so WordPress definitely wins there. But if you have a large and complex website, if you are a huge business, maybe a SaaS company that has more than 1,000 customers, a lot of website traffic, anyway, you have to show many things to your existing customers as well as new customers. You have to build tools within your website. You have to have a very good strategy, like, to engage your visitors. So then Drupal is better suited for that kind of website. And because it involves a lot of data, a lot of customization needs. But the future of web development seems to favor both uh, platform, because they can adapt to different needs and integrate with AI technologies like AI. So I would say that both Drupal and WordPress have a place in the future. If you want to have your website built in either Drupal or WordPress, maybe, so you can contact me. I am Manzur Mashood, and I'm CEO of Manmesh Consulting. You can contact me by clicking on this button, LinkedIn, and you will be taken to my LinkedIn profile, where you can message me, or maybe you can click this get in touch button and you will be taken to our contact page. And here you can fill out a form and let me know your website development needs, or maybe your SEO needs, or maybe your LinkedIn marketing needs, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for listening, and have